Hey guys, my name is Dee. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you some spray paint animations. So in iMovie, I'm gonna open this and ooh, stars. I've never used this before. I don't want to use it now. And then I'm gonna green screen this. I'm gonna use like one of the crazier ones, I think. Be the double. So right click, trim, and then trim. You can see the little audio. Oops. You can see the little audio go. Okay, there it is. It's not very good to, I didn't listen to my own advice, but it's not good to look at the thumbnail as a reference. It lies. It lies. We want it before that. There you can see the audio for that next one, so we don't want none of that. And up here, green, blue screen. And there she goes. So I still messed up a little bit. There she goes. Psst. You can cut it. Oh, and did you hear that? I still had a little bit more of the next one. We'll just let it go. If you want it or gone before, you can just, you know, crop it out like that. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this. I'm gonna make more like this. I really like these, and they're easy to make. So, thank you for watching my video.